Relying on FonePaw DoTrans for data migration can be risky, especially with newer devices. If you're facing transfer issues, here are 6 reliable alternatives to ensure smoother phone-to-phone transfers. Top 1. Best FonePaw DoTrans alternative MobiKin transfer for mobile. When it comes to transferring data between devices without hassle, MobiKin transfer for mobile Windows Mac delivers a smooth and reliable experience. How to use. Download and install the transfer for mobile trial. Launch the program and connect both devices via USB. The program will recognize the devices and show transferable data. Select Data to transfer and click Start Copy. Top 2. MobiLink. For users who need a fast and reliable way to transfer data between devices, MobiSync offers an efficient solution. It supports moving contacts, messages, photos, videos, and music across both Android and iOS platforms while keeping the original file quality intact. Top 3. Syncios Mobile Data Transfer. Cross-platform data movement becomes effortless with Syncios Mobile Data Transfer, which allows selective file transfers between Android and iOS devices. Users can move photos, contacts, messages, and media libraries while preserving file quality. Top 4. AnyMP4 TransMate. For anyone dealing with large media collections, AnyMP4 TransMate ensures rapid and secure transfers between smartphones. It supports cross-device compatibility and allows users to manage and organize files during the transfer. Top 5. AnyTrans. Those who want comprehensive device management alongside data transfer will find AnyTrans highly versatile. It allows migration of contacts, messages, photos, and even apps while providing tools for backup and file organization. Top 6. Leawo iTransfer. When it comes to managing iOS and Android content efficiently, Leawo iTransfer offers a capable solution. It supports music, videos, photos, contacts, and messages while maintaining original data quality.